You never know the outcome of your video until you post it. This part of the wardrobe is where I keep my best friends and my wrappers. So I'm just going to keep this one. It's dried already. The fragrance is so nice. So let's just leave it here. Hello everyone, how you guys doing? How is life treating you guys? Okay, I know this vlog is all over the place. I apologize. I almost did not post this vlog, but after watching a particular content creator on YouTube where she was motivating other content creators, she said you never know the outcome of your video until you post it. So I was like, instead of me deleting these videos on my phone, let me just put it together and post it online. So that's why I say this particular vlog, I'm not gonna delete it from my phone. I'm not gonna put it to trash. I will edit it and post. Hope you enjoy watching. I really appreciate you guys. I really appreciate for the support, even the comments. Oh my god, you guys left sweet comments on my last videos. I really appreciate. May God bless you all. More dress. I'm going to work. I'm on night shift and the time is to 5. The time is to 5. So thank you guys for watching. Thank you guys.